Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. This is Bill. Here's Grabberstang, and we're continuing on with another modification. Today, we're gonna go ahead and put the wheel spacers on Grabberstang and see what they do. I really like the rims. I ordered them, and I really would have wished that they were 20-inch and maybe a little wider, but I've been noticing that a lot of cars have been running with the 19s and just putting in a fatter tire. But today, what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the wheel spacers on to see if we can bring it out and get it flush. We're gonna go ahead and go with the 25 millimeter. They are gonna go ahead and get put on today. So stick around, smash the like. Guys, it's free. Just subscribe. Help me out with the channel, right? And I'll keep you up to date with everything else that's happening on with Grabberstang. And so, with no further ado, let's get these puppies on. So these are the Hubcentric ones that I got. Let's hope that everything goes good, because this one has magnetic ride. I hope there's no problems or no issues with it. So let's go ahead and check them out. And here goes those Hubcentric ones right there. These are the 25 millimeter. He's down to 150 pounds. Want to make sure that it sits nice and snug on that hub. the other side. Okay, just like that. Alright, so far. Good. Got it. Put it in. It looks like. Oh yeah. Other than the gap, it's out there. Sticking right out there. I just gotta drop it down. You can see it's coming out now. Oh yeah, they're sticking out now. All right, now we'll get the front brakes. Man, these things are massive. Look how big those brakes are. Look at those Brembo brakes. They're huge. 6 pistons. Heck yeah. Woo-wee. Stop at a drop of a dime. Is that you, neighbor? Hi. Sassy. 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 Sundar, you want to do me a favor? Put your foot on the brake. Yeah. Get in the car and put the foot on the brake. Do a little 6 times. So I thought if I put the emergency brake on, it would just awesome. Not the front wheels. Not the front ones. Alrighty. Beautiful. Look at that. Look how it looks. The camera doesn't do justice. But man, that looks different. What a huge difference that makes. Man, oh man, the Chevys. Right there. Now the gap. I gotta fix that gap. I need to go down in there. 1.5 in the front, 1 in the back. It should be super pretty. Oh yeah. Now for the next side. Alright. There you have it, guys. She's all put together. And they're sticking out right now. A lot better than before. You can see them all the way down. And I even like them even more now. Now if I just drop it 1.5 inches in the front, 1 inch in the back, should be sitting pretty. So to recap, spacers, 25mm spacers all the way around. RTR, side splitters. RTR, rear quarter splitters, or side skirts. And we went ahead and put the R2R front splitter. Everything's looking nice so far. Grabberstang coming out wonderfully. And resonator delete. Install MBRP. And what's next, guys? What do you think? What do you think should be next? Put it in the comments below. Once again, thanks for watching. Thanks again, once again. Subscribe, like, smash the bell, guys. It's free and it helps the channel out, right? Hey, hoorah. Give it up for the vet. Happy Memorial Day for all my veterans. That's right. Celebrating myself, fighting for my country. I want to thank you guys for watching. Remember, subscribe. Smash the like, ring the bell so that I can let you know when there's an update on Grabberstang. And then let me know in the comments, what do you think we should go for next, right? What do you think should be the next mod? So see you guys on the next one. And remember, God bless, stay safe, love everyone.